Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be going into TJ Maxx to show you guys what they have that you can use to organize your refrigerator. So I'll just be walking through the store and showing you the items with the prices. I won't do much talking, but I will talk here and there about a few items that I come across. So I wanted to make this video just in case you're like me and you like to see the quality of items. TJ Maxx is a great option to go out and put your hand on things and size them up and see if they'll fit into your spaces. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I wanted to take this time out to say hello to all of my current subscribers and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I have received so many new subscribers on my channel and I appreciate all of you and your support. So if you are new here, my name is Tawana, and on this channel you see clean with me videos, shop with me, decor videos, home improvement videos, and any other type of video that I can think of that relates to my home. I will be bringing you guys all of that here. And also coming up, I'm in here in preparation for a refrigerator organization video. So that video will be coming up soon within the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that. So this is exactly what I was looking for, which are some clear airtight containers. I want to use this to put salad mixes and different lettuce and spinach and things like that in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you ideas of what your local TJ Maxx may have. If you do not have a TJ Maxx, similar stores to TJ Maxx are Home Goods and Marshalls, so you can definitely check those stores out to find these same or similar items. So these are the two items that I picked up on today, which will help me get my refrigerator organized and in order. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and make sure that your notification bells are turned on so that you'll be notified every time that I post a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.